Good morning to everyone. Welcome to the online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss about seating arrangement, the new topic in reasoning. This seating arrangement, the questions will based on the solutions, and if you want to solve this seating arrangement, then you should know the blood relations and you should know the coding and decoding and directions, because based on these three topics we'll get some tips in seating arrangement. So seating arrangement is nothing but they will ask the questions like maybe some person is sitting around the circle, maybe in two parallel rows, two parallel columns and facing north, where they are safe and how they arrange the seating, everything they will ask here. So, but before going to the start our problems on seating arrangement, we'll see for some tips first of all. What are the tips is important tips we are going to discuss now. The first thing, you will know that as last topic we discussed about the same thing is nothing but directions. So seating arrangements, direction plays a crucial role actually. So you should know the directions. How many directions we have? How many directions we have? Totally? How many total directions? Say, boys and girls, say in the chat box, how many directions we have? Yes, 8. It is 4 is north, south, west, and another 4 is nothing but sub-corners. Okay, sub-corners are there. Northeast, northwest, southwest, and southeast. This is east one. This is east. Okay, this is east. No, these are the 4 corners, and you should know this. Why this is a tip is very important. The first tip is nothing but directions only. Why? In the seating arrangements, the people will ask they are facing to the north or they are facing to the south. They are sitting in a row and facing to the north. They are sitting in a table and to facing north or south. They will ask like this. And you should know this north, south, west, east, and the remaining 4 corners, including with this, you should know the left and right sides for the left and right side for the north. If one person is facing to the north, his left, his right will be opposite for the person who's facing south. Who's facing south. This will be the right and this will be the left for south. And the same thing, the person who's facing the east, the left and right for east, this will be the left and this will be the right, and these two is opposite to west facing person, right? This will be the left and this will be the right. So you should know this left and right variations. Okay, if a person facing the north, that means if you are facing your mobile screens or laptop screens, so that this will be your right, and if I face south, this will be my left. So opposite directions. Okay, and this is the first important point from directions. Next one, the same thing which we discuss in the directions, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise. We know this clockwise will move like this and anti-clockwise moves like this. Okay. And they will ask a question like clockwise, anti-clockwise also. In the question they will mention clockwise and anti-clockwise also. That means you should know this clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. Okay. Now, another one. They may be asked like by using a rectangular table, square table, or circle. So here the people will faces inside and outside. So both will get here. So people will face inside and outside. So this one of the tip here to person facing which side it is. Facing to the center. Facing to the center it means facing to the inside. Facing to the center, it means facing to the inside. Facing to the outside. Suppose if why this is important. If I sit like this, my left will be this and my right will be this, right? That means if I'm facing the inside or center, or I'm facing to the center, I'm facing to the inside the table, then my left will be your left, my right will be your left, your right. And if I faces to the outside of the table, then this is your right and this is your left, and this is my right, this is my right, and this is my left. Okay. So whenever faces to the outside and the inside, the people will this will be changes. Both will be changes. The direction will change to each other, right? Then this is one of the tip here. You should notice that the people is facing inside or outside is also important. And then they will ask like questions like maybe two rows or two columns, or maybe circle, or maybe rectangle, or maybe triangle. Sorry, rectangle, square, and maybe circle and circle. But here, how we are going to find these arrangements by using a simple steps. What are the simple steps? First, you need to know the how many are there in the question. How many are there in the question? So first, you need to count the person, count the number, and next one, draw the frame. If they said the circle means circle, if they said square means square, rectangular means rectangle, whatever they given the shape, just draw the frame, and then read the sentence by sentence. Read the sentence by sentence, and then match the sentences based on the given the data. We are going to we are going to find the answers. The seating arrangements is people will feel difficult, but it's very easy if you having the basics of blood relations, if you're having the blood relation of directions, if you're having basics of coding and decoding also. Okay, now we'll start our problems today's class, and we'll solve some few problems. Then we'll go for the medium level problems. Okay, now basic problem we are going to solve now. Okay, these are the seating arrangements. Questions, the basic questions. Now, second question. Let's see the second question. 5 boys are standing that they from a circle. Ajay is between Ramesh and Dominic. Solomon is to the left of Babu. Ramesh is to the left of Solomon. Who is the right of Ajay? They're asking who is the right of Ajay. So first, the basic question only very simple question. So, but for practicing, if you are draw the framework, it may easy actually. So first of all, what they are saying, in a boy standing in the circle. First of all, we take the one circle. And how many boys is there? 5 boys. 5 boys are standing here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 members are standing. And Ajay is between Ramesh and Dominic. And he read the each and every sentence, each and every sentence. Based on the sentence, you just form the circle. You form the arrangement. Okay. First, what they are saying, Ajay is between Ramesh and Dominic. Suppose if I take Ajay here, if I take Ajay here, Ramesh will be here and Dominic will be here. Or Dominic will be here, or Ramesh will be here. So both the chances. What they said, Ajay is in between Ramesh and Dominic. And you need to know one more 2 important tips. Between means in the middle. Between means middle. And immediate right or immediate left means just beside the one. Okay. Immediate means just beside the one. Okay. So no one in between the 2 person. Just left or just right is it always shows it is just beside one. Okay. And here they said Ramesh and Dominic, in these 2 persons is side by side of the Ajay. Ajay is having the middle place with these 2. But we don't know who's the left hand side and who's the right hand side. What is the left? Suppose they didn't give anything, they're standing to the circle. That means it is facing to the center. It means this will be the left and this will be the right of Ajay. This will be the left and this will be the right of Ajay. We don't know Ajay's right who sat. That may be Dominic or Ramesh. And Ajay's left, that may be Dominic and Ramesh. Okay. Okay. Now the second point. Suleiman is to the left of Babu. Ramesh is to the left of Suleiman. So two members is there. Totally 5. If that may be Ramesh or that may be Dominic here. And what they're saying, Suleiman is left of Babu. They're saying left of Babu. Suppose think here the Ramesh is there. Okay. Think here the Ramesh. Then what is the Ramesh left and what's the right? This will be the left and this will be the right. Is it clear? So if Ramesh is here, he's facing inside our center. This is Ramesh right, this is Ramesh left. What they are saying, Suleiman is to the left of Babu. Ramesh is to the left of Suleiman. So Ramesh is left of Suleiman. That means if I take Suleiman here, okay, then what is the Suleiman left and right? This will be the right and this will be the left. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear up to this? Now, Ramesh, if I just consider hearing, that's it. I'm checking the probability. Okay. If Ramesh is here, then Suleiman will be here. Then the condition is Ramesh is to the left of Suleiman. So Suleiman's left is this one only. And Ramesh also is here only. Okay. And what they are saying another one, Suleiman is to the left of Babu. So what's the remaining one? Only one place. If Ramesh is here, then Dominic will be here, right? So he's here, Dominic will be here. And the remaining one place is for who's that? Babu. check the condition. Who's the Babu's right and who's the which is the Babu's left and right? Babu's, this is the right and this will be the left. So Babu's left, who's that person? Babu's left, who's that person? Suleiman. Is it satisfied, right? Babu's left is Suleiman. Suleiman's left is Ramesh. Ramesh to the left of Suleiman. From Suleiman, Ramesh is left side. Then, so Ramesh is here, it is fixed means, so D will be here, Dominic will be here. So Ajay's left is Dominic, Ajay's right is Ramesh. Then what they're asking, who is the right of Ajay? Who is the right of Ajay? Ramesh. Ramesh is the right answer. Okay. Actually, these sitting arrangements are very easy, ma. But if you understand the things left and right and circles, clockwise and anti-clockwise, same like coding and decoding. Okay. Now move for the another question. Move for the next question. Let's see. Come to the fourth question. Come to the fourth question. I'll solve first basic questions, then we'll move for the first question. Okay. Come to the fourth question. Read the first question. 5 boys are sitting in a row. Here they start here a row. One row is there. And how many members is there? 5 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 members is sitting. A is on the right of B, E is on the left of B, but to the right of C, but right of C. If A is on the left of B, who is sitting in the middle? So here they're asking in a row, not in a circle. If they didn't mention anything, the people to shows when they're facing to the even we're discussing the same thing in class also. So always just take the first now. Okay. Now the 5 members is like here, here, here. And in the row type of problems, you should remember one more important point also. That is left corner, right corner. Okay, corner, left corner, right corner. The last person in that row. Last person in that row. And now what they are saying, first of all, 5 boys are sitting in a row. A is on the right. A is on the right of B. A is right of B. E is the left of B. E is the left of B. But to the right of C. If A is on the left of D, who is sitting in the middle? So they given everything, I think so. So first of all, they are facing to the north, means this is the left and this is the left. So entire person sitting in a row. So every person's left will be this. Every person's right will be this. No need to draw for each and every person. Okay. So they are facing to the same. They are facing to the same direction. 5 members are facing to the same direction. And for 5 members, this will be the left and this will be the right. This is very, very important. Now the question, read the question. A is on the right of B. Right of B. E is the left of B. Suppose think. Consider B here. Consider B here. B right. B right. A is there. Okay. But what they're saying, E is the left of B. But here, left of B, there is no one, right? There is no one. So B we cannot take here. Suppose take B here. Take B here. Just trial and error method. Okay, if B here, what's next to B? Who's the next to B? Right side. A. Okay, on the right. And E is the left of B. Okay. Here B means left also is vacant. So we can take E. And then E is the left of B, but to the right of C. Right of C means here E is the corner person. Then there is no right of C. So it is also wrong. So B, here also B is not possible. Here also B is not possible. Okay. Now, what are the possibilities of the remaining?
6-25
First thing.
ప్లగ్ లో పెట్టుకోవడం అంతే మోటార్
Suppose let B here. Let B here. The right side of B is A. And left side of E. E is the left side of B. E. E is right of the C. Right of the C. Suppose C is here. Then C is right. It will be, and C right. Okay. And satisfied. What's the remaining one?
చార్జర్ కాదు అది
D.
అది ఎక్క సవరవు ఇదే రాంగ డబ్బులు
Now we check the conditions one more time. B is sorry, A is B, right of B. A is right of B. E is left of B and right of C. Okay. And another last one is eliminated. That is nothing but D.
నేను
Okay.
ఇందాక చూపించింది అది.
Now this is the arrangement. Now what they are asking the question? Who is the sitting in the middle? Who is in the middle? It's nothing but B. Okay. Now see there's some basic questions first of all. Then we'll go for the first questions. Come to the sixth one. Come to the
దగ్గర
sixth
ఉన్న
one.
అట్లాంటిది
If
1500 ఉంది
6
1547.
persons, if 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, and F are standing in a circle, not necessarily the same order. Okay. Second point they given, B is between F and C. B is between F and C. A is between E and D. F is to the left of D. Which of the following is between E and F? Okay, simple question. The same thing, you just take the circle first of all, draw the framework. If for practicing, it is very, very important. Now,
ఇదిగో
how many members they said? 1.
1500
No. Sorry. No, totally 6 members is there. 6 members, 6 persons. A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 members are standing in the circle, not in the necessary same order. B is between F and C. Okay. Think. Directly you just take this. This will be the. I'll draw this. These things.
అది చిరతర పండి తర్వాత
Okay, now think 6 members are like this. 6 members are like this. So what they are saying first of all, B is between F and C. I'm taking B here. It is between F and C. Maybe F will be here or C will be here. Or C will be here or F will be here. Okay. Is it clear? And another one. A is between E and D. A is between E and D. Okay. Now another thing, A is between E and D. And now come to the part, F is to the left of D. Where is the D here? Here. Okay. I'm taking D here. So which one is the left here? This will be the left and this will be the right. What they are saying here, F is to the left of D. So F left of D. So by taking D there, so D's left will be A. So here D is not going to be possible. Here you just consider E instead of D, you just consider the E. And here you just take the D. Why? Because D's left will be, is it? F. F is the left of D. Okay. Now D is here. I'm taking here. Now which one is left? This one is the left and this one is the right. So D left of person is F. Okay. So D is left. Who's there? F is there. Okay. From this we can write anything. I mean all the problem we can solve by this only. So F it is there. F it is there. B is F and C, right? So this will be C. And A, sorry. So D already is here, then E will be here. So we got all the things. What the question they are asking? Following is between A and F. Where is A? Here. A is here and now D is here, E is here, A is here, and this F and C will be here. Okay. Now what they're asking, F and E and F. A here and F here. Who's the mid in between? D. D is the correct answer. Okay. Now see the 8th question. 5 persons are playing cards game sitting in a circle, all facing center. So first of all, it is a circle. First thing, it is a circle. Then how many persons is there? 5 persons. Okay. 8th question. What's the 8th question? 5 persons were playing the cards sitting in a circle, all facing center. So how many members? 5 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 persons are playing the cards and facing circle. Mukund was to the left of Rajesh. Suppose I'm taking Rajesh here. Suppose I take the Rajesh here, then what will be the left of Rajesh? Left and right. What's the left of Rajesh? Mukund. Who's the left here? Mukund. Mukund is the left side of Rajesh. Vijay was to the right of Anil. And between Anil and Nagesh. So here Vijay is right to the Anil. Suppose think Anil will be here. Think if Anil is here, then what they're saying? Anil, Vijay was the right of the Anil. Vijay is right of. Which one is right here? This will be the right, this will be the left. Okay. And if A is here, then Mukund was the left of Rajesh. And Vijay was the right of Anil. The right is Vijay. And in between Vijay and Nagesh. So here already Rajesh will be there. So we cannot possible, right? So here we cannot give here. We can move here from here. We'll keeping here. Okay. Now A becomes here. Then Vijay will be here because it's the right. So here left and right. Sorry. Vijay was to the right of Anil. This will be the. Sorry guys, this previous one only is right. So if Anil is here, what's the right of Anil? This will be the right. So right will be Vijay. So remaining, who's that person? Naresh. So in between Naresh and Anil, they said. So Naresh is can't be here. We can take Naresh here. Okay. Now it is satisfied. Vinay is the right of A, and in between Naresh and Anil. And then these two will move from here to here. This is Ramesh. So now all the things is correct. Who was the right of Nagesh? Who's the right of Nagesh? It's nothing but Mukund. Mukund is the right of Nagesh. So these are the basic problems, ma. So we'll discuss in next class some more tips and medium level problems in next class. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye now.